dear friends, Ingrid here from Open Journey. Actually, I would like to make an entry in the Bible, and I have an interleaf Bible, so I have a whole page to work with, and I'm gonna be working right in the beginning of the Gospel of Matthew, looking Nativity journey. And I love its similarity to our entire life journey, and it's just so beautiful to compare it and see the similarities and the miracles in it and the beauty of it. I love to think of this, that Mary could feel the baby Jesus move inside of her, just like we can feel God move in our lives and stir our hearts, even though others can't see that. Often bypassers do not notice how God works in our lives, but we know, hopefully. And just this very similar journey we are taking, and I love to compare it to the Nativity journey in the way that they were God bearers, right? Even though Jesus was not born yet, but he was with them, just in an unseen way, just like Jesus is with us. And sometimes we might not even recognize that. If you have even if you have the physical kit, you can take this image either from the folder, or we have on like this, the inside, or there's a card stock with that same image. I don't know if I can find that now. Yeah, this one, it's a little bit smaller. What I did, I printed out the digital file and I cut it to the size of my Bible page because I wanted the full page with this beautiful image. And I love how it's dark. It's kind of an illuminated darkness. And often our life is like that, you know, we walk in darkness, but it's illuminated from God in many, many ways. So I love that. And this darkness has the effect, and it tends to guide us, actually, to focus, right? Focus on the light. Kind of has a restrictive power, almost like an embrace. Very interesting. So this will be a very simple entry. I'm just gonna adhere this. It's printed on white sticker paper. I'm just gonna, hopefully I won't have troubles with it. Just gonna put it in here, and then I'm just gonna probably gonna use make room. So this is a very beautiful thought. And I think it's even more powerful than thinking that, okay, at the end of Advent we celebrate Christmas and this is it. I love to compare it to our entire life journey. All right. Now it started if I didn't place it right. There's no way I can change it, but it worked out. It worked out perfectly. Oh, kind of. I have a little bit overhang there, but I can cut that. That's beautiful. It's gonna be a very simple entry. Probably even if you rip it, you would get to tear it. Might get a nice feathered edge. Make room. I also like the circular make room. I need a little picture, one of the little cards from the add-on. the add-on kit with Jesus, baby Jesus, but I think I used it. Oh, we can also use the tag. Oh, it's beautiful. I might use the tag that comes with the add-on kit. I also would like to journal, so even add somehow a hidden pocket, or just use one of these paper notes that comes with the add-on kit. So there are definitely options, even though I don't want to obstruct this image too much. So I could journal actually on the back of this tag, so that's gonna give me more room. It's the ribbon the kit comes wrapped in. It's nice to add a touch of fabric to entries, even though I wish this would be on the other side, but then it's upside down. Just gonna have to deal with it on this side. So here I have the birth of Jesus. So this is the Bible fragment I'm looking at. All these purple strips. Lindsay was doing that, using the strips to kind of highlight the verse she was working with. I really like that. Now I have to reconsider the sticker because I already have Microm. I'm not gonna use the same Microm sticker. I could repeat the image. I think I would like actually to use this with Jesus imposed over the heart, as to say, be born in my heart. Or the angel pointing towards the star. Another element I would like to use, the Tim Holtz, there are these sticky words, and I know they're not faith oriented necessarily, but here for example we have adventure, so if you can just cut it off and have Advent, so we can use that. And here focus on the good, we can do focus on God, take an O out. Remember can be used. Be amazed, I love that. In my heart it can be used. Yeah, so there are quite a few, so I am sure I'm gonna use this here. Note I journaled on the back of the card of the tag. I will attach because I want to be able to flip it. I would love to put this here, but then it's gonna be hard to flip it over if it covers two of the edges. So I'm just gonna adhere that there. I want to see where I can put the Advent word. Just gonna cut Advent. It's cool how Advent is contained in the word adventure. Yeah, because it is an adventure. Advent, and I love the be amazed. Then I can still flip this over and read my message. And also on the top here, I will write. Actually, I wanted to use the Advent Journey stamp. I don't want to clutter this too much. Oh, it'd be great. I think I'm gonna use it under the tag. Then I'll still have it, and I will stamp it with white. I'm using a Stays On, but it's a pigment ink. It's kind of thick. Oh, it's great. I love that. The Advent Journey. Sorry, I went off the camera there. I would like to write Advent Journey on the top here. Doesn't write very well on the laser. It's kind of glossy, so but that's fine. I would just like to write the date. And I think this is it. Very simple entry, just help you meditate just a little bit on our Advent journey, and this can be a recurring theme throughout the Advent. And this is the finalized entry. It was very quick, beautiful little meditation. Thank you. I hope you found this inspiring, and I'll see you next time. God bless.